Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey Prinz, aka Princess of Curls. Thank you so much for coming on. Today we're gonna be talking about, well, this is from Luster's Pink. They were so kind to send me these products a while back, and I'm finally getting to actually review them. Well, I'm gonna review half of them because I can't use all the products on one wash day, but I'm gonna show you the products that I use. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Just washed my hair, so it's probably dry now. So I'm gonna get a spray bottle to spray it up, and I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using today. So since my hair is pretty much dried up since I just washed it, see how dry it is already? It's only been like, I would say 30 minutes since I washed my hair, and it's like this dry. Also, this is your reminder to change your water. Like, you should be changing it, like, if you don't use it so often, your water bottle, like, every so often, because you know, you just don't want water just sitting there and then you're still using the same water you had like months ago. Like, first and foremost, if you don't know about Luster's Pink, this brand was one of the OG brands that I used on my hair before college, more like high school and middle school. This was the brand, the OG brand that I used on my hair to get nice curls. Now, granted, I didn't know how to style. I didn't know what deep conditioning was. I literally was just slapping on product, but Luster's Pink really came through for me in high school. Like, that brand, that OG brand, I really have like a nice heart for it, because I'm like, this is the brand that helped me like see my curls are actually curling. So that's why this is like touching home a little bit, because Luster's Pink Lotion, I'm gonna put the insert picture right here. That product, one and done. I was literally one and done without even know it was one product styling. Like, that product got me through high school. So I'm excited to get to try these products because they have no silicones, no sulfates, no phthalates, none of those bad ingredients that us curly girls don't want. No silicones, y'all heard me? No silicones. So this brand literally stepped up their game since the OG time. So now we're about to try their new line. Repair and Strengthen Mask. So a little bit about this. It's with coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and botanical extracts. It's a intense conditioning treatment. Let's see what else this says. It's a nutrient-rich, intensive treatment that addresses the needs of weak, damaged hair and significantly improves manageability. Natural pea protein helps repair and strengthen, while pro vitamin B5 penetrates deeply to nourish and moisturize. Hair is transformed from dull and dry and brittle to incredibly soft, smooth, moisturized, and shiny. Ideal for all hair types and styles. So like I said, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no phthalates, no silicones. We love to hear that. So let's see how this looks. So it has a very, yeah, it smells like sweet pea. Like, back in, I think Bath and Body Works, one of their like original fragrances, it smells like sweet pea. And this is what it looks like. Consistency wise, pretty creamy, you guys, pretty creamy. Okay, so I'm gonna just section my hair now. I didn't bring any clips, of course, silly me, but this is just deep conditioning. We don't need like clips per se. All you got to do is just part your hair down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. You can do your twist in 2 or twist in 4. For your twist, I like to do it in 4 just to make sure that I'm distributing the product correctly, but to each its own. So now we're gonna apply some water because my hair is not as damp as I would like. About this much. I love how creamy it is. It's getting through my tangles. Like, my hair got really tangled after I washed my hair because I did like a cleansing treatment, and I did use a conditioner, a rinse out before this, but you know, my hair just was tangled again. But hold on, guys, I probably should have brought a clip, but we'll be alright. It is detangling really nicely. We're gonna add a bit more. So this is their Repair Strengthen Mask, which I need all the strengthening I can get, and I'm using a lot, being very generous with this product because why not? And my hair is getting detangled as I use this, so I like it already. So now I just twist up each section like so. Pretty sure you guys seen all my videos how I do the same way. So I really have high hopes for this line. I love how they like move towards making products with good ingredients. So no sulfates, no silicones, no none of that. So I really appreciate them for doing that. Now we're gonna use our plastic cap, put this on. Gonna leave it on for about 3 minutes because it's late right now where I'm at. So we gotta get this wash and go done. I put this on, and they are also so kind to gift me this. This is so cute. I love black and then pink on top. Perfect. So I'm going to warm this up in the microwave for about a minute on each side, or a minute and a half on each side. I'm going to come back with my hair rinsed out, and then we'll get to styling back. And look, my hair still bleeds, and it's been over a month. It's about to be 2 months since I dyed my hair, and it's still bleeding. So I'm only using this towel, microfiber towel, of course. Only using this towel because I don't want to stain any other microfiber towels that I got. Lotion I'm going to be using today is the Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. So if you're not new to knowing about Luster's Pink's products, the pink lotion, it literally reminds me of that. So the bottle, everything just reminds me, it's just bringing me back. But this has castor oil, peppermint oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E. So this is a moisturizer. I'm going to treat this as a moisturizer, similar to like a leave-in. So moisturizers are not supposed to define hair. If it does, great, but I mean, like, it's not meant to define. It's meant to moisturize and hydrate your hair. So that's what I'm treating this as, a moisturizer, and it says moisturizing lotion, not to define, to moisturize. So I'm going to read the directions. Gently massage a small amount onto the scalp. Distribute a small amount throughout the hair for shine and manageability. And a little bit more about this product. It says it soothes the scalp to help promote growth of strong, healthy hair. Your scalp will experience a distinct, comforting tingle that is both calming and stimulating. So I actually want to try it on my scalp. I'm going to try it on my scalp. First of all, let's see how this smells before we do all that. It does smell like peppermint, tea tree, calendula, like, smells like that. We're going to put some, we're going to try it out. First, I'm going to try it in the hair, then I'll put some on my scalp. So we're going to see the product texture. So I'll put this much just to start off. Yeah, wow. I smell the peppermint. It's like a menthol feeling. So let's see. Definitely strong enough for you to smell it. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to linger through the hair, but it does smell like pepperminty, tea tree-ish. So just so you guys know. It's easy to move through my hair. It says to put it on the scalp. So I'm going to take a little bit and kind of like massage it in the scalp like it says to do. Just a tiny bit, like this much. And I'm going to apply it in the scalp and see if I feel anything later on. Because this is interesting. Like, I never usually put lotion or like a moisturizing lotion on my scalp, or like a cream on my scalp, because I can cause buildup. But this says it's for the scalp and for the hair. So we're going to see. Oiled and defined. I'm going to use Luster's Pink Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel with olive oil, argan, and panthenol. Yeah, I didn't say that right, but I'm going to use this on my hair. Let's see what it says about it. It is formulated with certified organic olive oil plus argan oil and pro vitamin B5. That was the word I was trying to pronounce before, to nourish hair and fight crunchiness and flaking. So it shouldn't be any flakes or crunch. It has glycerin and other moisturizers to help maintain hydration and fight frizz. So since we're in the winter, or I'm in the winter season right now, this is fine to use because glycerin attracts moisture to your hair. And since it's cold outside, I'm fine with using gels with glycerin in it. It adds a perfect finishing touch to a wide variety of styles. Hair stays in place. All right, for smooth styling. So it says to add a small amount to damp hair or dry and style as desired. Golden. It has that like old school gel smell. And you can see the consistency. Definitely has that old school gel smell. So we're gonna take a lot because this is the defining part of the wash and go. It is very thick. It's a thick gel. It kind of reminds me of like, it's not as thick as Wetline, but kind of reminds me of like Eco, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna put this in. Make sure I get up here like I've been saying, because sometimes even I forget that. I used pretty much a generous amount. Smooth my hair, prayer hands method. Smooth my hair. This helps create the curl clumps. This is what I love doing to create the curl clumps. You're gonna see after the next technique that I do. This just helps to clump curls together. And then I'm going to scrunch. And you want to hear that sound. If you have similar hair texture to mine, you want to hear this sound. Okay, we're done with one side. I'm gonna come back on camera. You're gonna see me with this side done. Back, curl definition is popping. Curl definition is there. I'm loving the results so far, the wet results. So now I'm gonna wait an hour ish for my hair to air dry, and then I'm gonna put it in a pineapple and then put it in my bonnet and go to sleep. Now it is late already. It's probably 1 in the morning, but it's okay. I had to get my hair done for tomorrow, so I'm gonna let it air dry for an hour. I don't like to diffuse until my hair has a cast on it, at least 30 minutes if I choose to do that, but I'm not. I'm just going to let it air dry for an hour and then put it in a bonnet. Tomorrow it'll still be damp in some places, but I'll just let it air dry throughout the day before I have to leave. You see me, it's gonna be day 2, but day 1 of me wearing the wash and go. So see you guys. Hey guys, I'm back. This is day 2 hair. Now this is day 2 at the end of the day, so this is kind of like my day 1, because you know how I slept on like damp hair. So this is kind of like my day 1, but I put it up in a puff already. Mind you, I did lay down on the bed without nothing on it, but these curls did not come to play. I know y'all see this. I got home not too long ago and I had to do an update. So this is how the hair is looking. I'm gonna take it down. Curls are curling. Curls are popping. Wow, and it's not as firm. I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts exactly in a few seconds, because it's not like a firm hold, but the hold is there, if that makes sense. Use this. Loved how it felt in my hair. It was creamy. It did the job, and I'd use it again. So I like that. The next product I used was their Strength and Repair Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. As I told you guys, this is the moisturizing lotion, not a defining lotion. So I just used it as a moisturizer, and it gave my hair pretty good moisture. My hair still feels moisturized right now. This is just day 2, so it should, but it definitely feels moisturized right now. So check number 2 for Luster's Pink. The last product that I used was their Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. Now, when I initially applied it, I thought it was going to be a stronger cast, but then when I fluffed it out, shook it out this morning out of the bonnet, there is hold, but I would say this is like a medium hold. And I was generous with the amount of gel that I used, so I wouldn't consider this a strong hold gel. Nothing like Eco or Wetline. It's more of like a medium. I would say about a 5 or 6 hold, which is pretty good. I think I'll get at least 4 or 5 days out of this without refreshing. So I like it because I wash my hair about 4 to 5 days. So I like it. I think this is a pretty good gel. I like how it's not too crunchy. The second day it feels nice, but it's still defined, and I still feel that hold. So would I repurchase this again? Yes. Would I use this again? Yes. So now I can count on this. I'm gonna use it one more time. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get the same results, but I feel like I can count on this on if I have to go somewhere the next day. My hair is gonna be voluminous but defined, but with hold. So thank you for getting all the way to the end of this video. If you liked my results, check out Luster's Pink, because they came out with a whole new collection. 2 more products I didn't use. If you're interested in seeing the other moisturizing lotion and the other mask, comment that down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, you guys.